Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced ginger tea. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need fresh ginger, water, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Make sure you have a saucepan, a fine mesh strainer, and a pitcher for serving. Optional additions like lemon or mint can elevate your tea. This refreshing drink is perfect for any time of day. Now let's get to brewing. Start by peeling about 2 inches of fresh ginger root. You can use a spoon to easily scrape off the skin. Then thinly slice the ginger. This helps release its wonderful flavor. Place the sliced ginger into a saucepan with 4 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. This steeping process extracts all the goodness. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, imagine enjoying your perfectly chilled iced ginger tea while listening to your favorite tunes. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your ginger tea has simmered, remove the saucepan from the heat. Now is the perfect time to add your sweetener. Stir in honey, maple syrup, or sugar until it dissolves completely. Next, carefully strain the hot tea through a fine mesh sieve into your serving pitcher, discarding the ginger pieces. Let the tea cool down to room temperature, then refrigerate it for at least 2 hours to get it perfectly chilled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.